Multiplication. Place value, multiplication of a 2-digit number by 100, 1000 and so on. Multiplying a 2-digit number by 100 follows the same rule as a 1-digit number. 100 contains 2 zeros, so multiplying a 2-digit number by 100 moves the digits 2 places to the left and adds 2 zeros. So 21 multiplied by 100, we move the digits 2 places to the left and add 2 zeros. It becomes 2100. 21 times 100 equals 2100. A similar rule applies when multiplying by 1000. 1000 contains 3 zeros, so multiplying a 2-digit number by 1000 moves the digits 3 places to the left and adds 3 zeros. So 21 multiplied by 1000, 3 places to the left and 3 zeros becomes 21,000. 21 multiplied by 1000 is 21,000. What about multiplying a 2-digit number by 10,000? The rule is still the same. 10,000 ends with 4 zeros, so multiplying by 10,000 moves the digits 4 places to the left and adds 4 zeros. 28 multiplied by 10,000, move the digits 4 places to the left and add 4 zeros. 28 multiplied by 10,000 equals 280,000. The same rules applies to all numbers starting with a 1 and ending in any number or y number of zeros. The digit moves y places to the left and y number of zeros fills the gaps. You can use this method when converting units of measure. Convert 56 metres into centimetres. We know 1 metre equals 100 centimetres. So we had 56, and after we move the digits 2 places to the left and fill with 2 zeros. 56 metres is 5,600 centimetres. Don't forget the units. Convert the value on the scale from kilograms into grams. We can see the value on the scale is 34 kilograms. We know 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, so 34 kilograms multiplied by 1,000, we move the digits 3 places to the left and add 3 zeros, so it becomes 34,000 grams. Don't forget the units. Remember, 100 contains 2 zeros, so multiplying a 1-digit number by 100 moves the digits 2 places to the left and adds 2 zeros. 1,000 contains 3 zeros. Multiplying a 1-digit number by 1,000 moves the digit 3 places to the left and adds 3 zeros. The same rule applies to all numbers starting with a 1 and ending in any number or y number of zeros. The digit moves y places to the left and y zeros are added to the right.